The Insider Picks team writes about stuff we think you'll like. Business Insider has affiliate partnerships, so we get a share of the revenue from your purchase. West Elm, when closet and cabinet space is at a premium. It's all too easy to clutter a home with the things that make up your life: books, shoes, mail, dirty dishes, laundry. Like many New Yorkers, I'm working with less than 1,200 square feet, so I have to get crafty with how I use my space, optimizing it for maximum organization and comfort. I've lived in New York City for the past 9 years, and I've gotten pretty good at making the most of my square footage, carefully choosing furniture and home accents that don't just look nice but also double as extra storage space. I went through my Amazon order history from the past year to review the best space-saving purchases I've made for my latest apartment. You'll find a few pieces I've picked up from West Elm, Urban Outfitters, and CB2 in this list as well. Here are 10 space-saving items I've bought along with my reasons why for each, in case you want to add any to your home. For any pricier purchases I talk about, I also list a similar, more affordable pick you can supplement into your home. If you have a space-saving hack ident cover, email me at ahoffman@businessinsider.com, because I'd love to hear it. The ideas in this list are specific to my apartment's layout and are by no means the only options out there. View as one-page slides.